Okay, I'm gonna get the plugs in my ear. We got a little windy day. It's really nice out actually. They said it's gonna rain after a bit, and kind of hope it does. We need the rain, and we got a lot of firewood here to cut up. This here is an old log splitter. Actually, I've had that back. I think we bought it in '89, so it's got quite a few years on it. It's 26 ton, 8 horsepower, and everything I've ever did was change the wheels on it. I put new wheels and bearings. I got a video. There's another video that shows you how I change these wheels into putting bearings on them instead of just actually go right onto a shaft with a pin. You know what I'm saying? So we've changed that. Everything else is pretty much original. I don't let nobody use it. I use it myself. Me and my wife does. But back at it again another year with the firewood. Firewood's nice to have. I mean, especially like really cold nights. But after you get a certain age, it's starting to slow down a little bit. You don't want to do too much firewood. So we have what you can see here. This is cherry wood. Cherry wood burns really well. I don't like cutting anything down that we can use or we just want to keep growing. I got a lot of trees here. I mean, if I go and cut trees for firewood, I always find something that's bad. You know, it's split out on the top or it fell over. There was one back here that tipped over, and now some of that wood back in there, you can't burn some of that wood. That is oh, I forget what kind of wood that is. Sumac. So, and it's not really good. There's a poison sumac and there's one that's not poison, but it doesn't burn. So some of your wood burns, some doesn't burn. You know, you can use elm, burnt elm. It takes a long time to dry out. Oak, locust. There's some locusts back here. It's just a variety of different trees, but we're real careful with what we cut, especially like walnut trees and any type of nut tree. We don't want to burn that or cut those down. So. And I've also got wood from other people that during storms and stuff like that. But got a little bit, like I said, down on the other side, another log to drag up, and then a maple down on this side back here. I really want to get to that one. I'm going to cut some of that on the sawmill, but it's going to be a nice piece of wood to make some things out of. But we have these yellow jackets this year. I don't know anybody else have them, but just tons and tons of yellow jackets everywhere. They went in. We was up here the other night. It was kind of late, and we didn't see too many of them, but someplace they got a nest. I don't know where it's at, but they don't seem to ball you. I mean, I don't know, you probably can't see them. They're everywhere through here. But right now, as to get the firewood done, it's nice to have it. But when you get a certain age, you want to slow down and kind of not do it. So, well, we'll get a little bit more wood here split up, and we was watching a couple other gentlemen online splitting their wood up, and we're going to leave their name here, so maybe you guys go check out their channel and watch them if you like firewood or doing anything with wood, you know, working with wood. These gentlemen are up north, and they're getting ready for the winter, and it's pretty neat to kind of watch their channel to see how they process their wood for the winter too. Go check out these guys. It's pretty neat how they do some of their lumber too, their wood. Okay, I'm gonna get started. I'm trying to get some of that small stuff picked up. Go ahead and get it split. Oh, let me get my plugs back in. This thing's pretty loud over here. It needs a new muffler put on it. I mean, I think it's burnt out. All right, that's pretty good. Excuse me. But we go ahead and get it finished up. Take a couple days here, off and on, or a good day, you know, to go ahead and do it. Okay, well, we're going to finish up here and get a couple other things done. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you have, please subscribe to the channel and push that like button. I really appreciate that. All right, have a great day, and thanks for watching.